that mix is just right for them. What was it called?
It's well known and often observed that birds take baths, both water baths and dust baths. In the case of dust baths, it's been shown experimentally that if birds are denied this, then their feathers quickly become clogged with excessive oil from their preen gland. It's also thought that these baths might help to remove parasites. Sometimes birds will have a water bath followed by a dust bath. Certainly they will allow their feathers to dry. What was curious about the birds here having their water bath was that although they're in the sea, they chose just a spot where fresh water was flowing down in considerable quantities. Whether this in some way assisted the cleaning of the feathers or the removal of the parasites is open to speculation.